Hi everyone, so I've come to share another journal that I've made, and this one is called Foxglove, and it's a digital kit from ARTYmaze. ARTYmaze is linked below. I've turned this one into a traveller's notebook as I normally do, but it does come as a full-size journal kit. So the journal measures 8¼ by 4½, one signature and 68 pages front and back, and it's very well embellished. I've also used some William Morris. I think I've just used that for my cover, like the actual cover, and then I've done my topper, which is 2 layers here. That was just some scrap digital I had lying about. This is one of the journal cards from the Foxglove kit. Then I've put this fluffy trim down here, butterfly with some bling, some cheesecloth in the background, and then this is a freebie word, and I just backed that onto some cardstock, used my pink and shears, and then just put that on there. We have 4 layers of cardstock there too, eyelets, organza ribbon as a closure. This will be for sale in my shop if you're interested. So let's go inside and do a flip through. So as you can see, there is quite a lot going on in there. It is quite chunky. Okay, so this is one of the pages, and as I said, you know, I've just made it so that it's a traveller's notebook by chopping off like the ends, like the side parts to it. So this is one of the pages. Then here we have what all the pockets are made using one of the background papers, which is this lovely kind of pinky colour. So then I've just made some clusters here. I did do this the other night on a live, and I just made up loads and then just stuck butterflies, some cheesecloth. There's a little ticket inside there. These all come from the Foxglove digital kit. I'll just pop some tabs on there. Here we have a tag from the kit, and another journal card from the kit with a tab on there. Got a doily, a paper bag. Here we have an envelope just paper clipped on and a tag there. The envelope has just got some paper in there for you to do some additional journaling, or you can tuck things inside there. And just pop that on there like that. And oops, and that goes in there. This is the old design shop. Hope I'm in frame. Yep. A big tag that I made from one of the pages from the kit. Like I said, you can always, you know, you can use the pages to do pockets, tags, journal cards, all sorts of things. Some coffee dyed paper. Another page from the kit. Here I've made a pocket using the background paper. Inside there I've just done a little bit of collaging, and then these images, they're not from the kit, but they are called Rose journal cards, I think, from ARTYmaze. I used them. We've got another cluster here, a little tiny label there, they're freebies. Butterfly is from the kit, I think, and a tag from the kit. Some coffee dyed paper here, and just a couple of envelopes that I had floating around. I just popped them in. I backed the inside of them. They're made from book page. I have done I done a Let's Make, but I did do a lot more to it on the Let's Make. But this is just using one full sheet of the William Morris paper, and then one of the little embellishments from the kit. I just used that as like a stopper, like so, that it doesn't want to work now. There we go. And that's paper clipped in there. Sorry if I sound all kind of bunged up. I've had really bad allergies the last couple of days. We've had really good weather, so everything's blossoming, and all the trees are blossoming, and they're killing me. Another little cluster there, butterfly, music paper, little label, journal card from the kit, tag from the kit, and a big tag from the kit. We have a doily, paper bag, music paper. You get this little pocket tag, or tag pocket, from the kit, and then I've just popped on a butterfly with some cheesecloth there, and added a tab to the top of the pocket tab. This is the old design shop. Another like collage tag, just using up the spare bits, the bits that I cut off the ends of the pages to make this into a TN size. And then I think this is just some original vintage music paper on there. And I used book page as the basis, which I've shown you how to, well, how I do it anyway. Another collage, no, that one's not a collage tag, it's just a full piece of paper on there, and then I just stuck the image. Them images are from the Rose Journal cards. Here we've just got a little postcard from the kit. They've all been backed onto coffee dyed paper. Little envelope from the kit, and you get a little journal card inside there. It's a double journal card, and you can glue, I mean, you can glue that together and make it one piece, or you could actually glue there and there and make that another little pocket and tuck something inside there. And that just goes there. The other side of the paper bag, the doily, another pocket there. We have a postcard, my hands are freezing, postcard from the kit, tag from the kit, and a journal card from the kit. Yeah, I said we had some beautiful weather Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, and now it's absolutely freezing. We're all going to end up with a cold. It's very strange having like 24 degrees and then it's like freezing. Another William Morris envelope that I had made. And these are nice and strong because there's the book page as the basis, the William Morris paper, the music paper inside there, and it's all been stitched, and you've got yourself a nice little pocket. So if you want to check out, no, that didn't go on well at all. Okay, let's start again with that. Check out my playlists, and I have Let's Make, I've got the journal one, and I've got the craft the craft along with me. There's only 2 on there, I think. I was hoping to do one this week, but because I didn't feel that great, I didn't want to be sneezing and blowing my nose constantly doing a live. So hopefully I'll get one done tomorrow, and I'm planning on doing collaging and see what we can do with what I make with them. Probably like belly bands and clusters and things like that again. Another little cluster there with a butterfly. The pockets made from the background paper. The other side of the page from the kit. Some tabs. Again, this big tag, that's been made from one of the pages. So roughly, if you've done big jumbo tags from like a full size page from a kit, you can get about 3 good size tags from that. An envelope here. And there's just paper in that like the other one. I won't take it out and waste time. This doesn't want to come out or go in either. So that goes on there. I think the other side there's a tag. Yeah, there's a tag here, and a paper bag, a doily, another pocket with a cluster, butterfly, little tickets, some music paper, a tag, big tag from that kit. That's from the kit, and that's from the kit. And do you know what, I wasn't sure whether that was the right way or that was the right way, but do you know what, either way it looked okay. So I just took a wild guess and put the tab on the top. It kind of looked okay to me. And the back. So there is the journal, and I do love that William Morris paper. Oh, it's so good, it's so nice. Someone had actually mentioned about on one of my other videos, was asking how ARTYmaze managed to do the William Morris because of copyright. Well, I think Andrea has answered that lady, but I just thought I'd quickly mention it because I did have to ask Andrea myself. Is a lot of it is like in the free domain, and you can use it for personal or commercial use. You can Google that yourself. There's plenty. As soon as you put it into Google about the copyright, it all comes up. So yeah, there is, you know, I think there's some of the images are still copyrighted, but the ones that aren't are on certain sites for you to use commercially. So there you go, that's the answer to that. But I just thought I'd say that as well, just in case anyone else was wondering. So it's Easter weekend. I will try and do a live tomorrow night. I'm hoping I can get one done. got nothing planned. It's Friday today, so it's Good Friday. So tomorrow evening, maybe about 8:30, 9 o'clock at night, that's Greenwich Mean Time here in the UK, I'll come on and do like an hour or an hour and a half, and but I will put a notice up on the Facebook group, Junk Journal Junkies, the chat group, and I will also put a little announcement on YouTube so that you know. But if you don't see an announcement, that means I'm not doing one. Anyway, have a great weekend, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.